Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Ultimate 2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the HUAWEI Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue and we can open the HUAWEI Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch by tapping on the icon. And once the application opens, we can tap on cancel here, tap on devices, and here you should see your watch Ultimate 2. Tap on it. Now scroll through this menu, through this page, and find the notifications and tap on it. And if the notifications are disabled, tap on the switch, and if you don't have the required permissions, you will tap on the screen. It will bring you to this page, and what you need to do is to find the HUAWEI Health application. Tap on it, tap on the switch next to allow notification access, tap on allow, and once you allow the notification access, you can go back. And now the notifications should be enabled. And here we have option to enable and disable notifications or mute the notifications when you're using your phone. So basically, if this option is enabled and you're using your phone, the screen on your phone is turned on, you won't be receiving the notifications on your watch. If it's disabled rather, you will be receiving them even though your screen is on. And then you can enable and disable the notifications for specific apps. And how it works is basically, if you enable the notification for the application, let's say Discord, and you receive the notification from Discord on your phone, that notification will be forwarded to your watch. But if you disable it, it won't be forwarded to your watch. You will see it only on your phone. Okay, so customize this to your liking. And now you should be able to receive the notifications on your watch. So I'm gonna open Discord. I'm logged in. I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. And it should pop up on our phone and also the watch as well. So let's send the message. We got the notification on our phone. Let's check our watch. I already can tell that it's here because you had this pop-up on the bottom of the screen. And if you open the notification panel, here we have our notification, as you can see. So it is working. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.